Good morning.
Oza.
Mkaje.
Sasa.
Poa.
Guess what?
Na mkaje.
I'm happy.
Unajua nowadays unakuja na surprise kila siku surprise.
Hey, this one is gonna kill. It's hot.
Which surprise do you have for me today?
Ta-da-da.
Ni CV, ni job.
You check. I know you will be the happiest person in the world, you know. What? Yes, so I know you can't believe this. Yes.
Oh my.
Yes.
Okay. Come. Who's?
Maybe you like pranks. I know, right?
I'm not pranking.
I know.
You are like.
I know you are happy. Oh my God.
Don't make me like. No, wait. Don't make me like. Just tell me it's a prank. Niambie na umejitengenezea hizi.
Come on. These are hospital documents.
I don't want to see. Sitaki kuona. Shika. Since when?
What do you mean?
Uko nyumbani kwa mamako. Kwangu ulikuja lini mwisho? When was?
Wait.
You are...
like you love pranks.
Your last time kukua kwangu, when was it? Right now we've been planning like how I'm going to come home, when tutakuja tuongee na wazazi. Then what are these? By the way, even ni nini unaleta? Hebu shika. Just tell me.
You are going to be a father. You. Who else? You. Who else?
What and good? Give me the.
Hey, ina uruki boss.
Unajua kuna kama mchezo mumezoea like.
Ina uruki.
Mumezoea kama mchezo funny.
Me, I came to your house when I was a virgin. Where ina uruki? Me, I didn't know these things.
I want to ask you a question.
There is nothing you're asking. Hey, eno nayo dularuga.
These 3 months.
Yes.
Right? 3 months. The last time we were with you, it's around, I think almost 5 months ago. So you have to tell me uniambie ni nani. Shika hapa. Mimi sitaki story mingi. Have this.
Shika. Uruki. You have to take care of this baby. No. Ina uruki.
Hebu fanya hivi. Kazi yao idoshi yako. Go and pick your things. No.